English Conversations Level 1. Lesson number 1. Hello, how are you today? I'm very well, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thanks. What's your name? My name is Locus. And yours? I'm Emma. How do you spell your name? L U C A S. How old are you? I am 15 years old. What do you do? I am a student. How tall are you? I am 160 centimeters. What's your weight? I'm 60 kilograms. What's your nationality? I'm American. Have you studied any other languages? I've studied French. Where do you study French? I study at a school. How many days do you study a week? I study 6 days a week. What's your teacher's name? His name is Mr. Tom. What do you want to be when you finish your study? I want to be a teacher. Lesson number 2. How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. How many main parts of a day are there? There are 3 main parts of a day. What are the 3 parts of the day? They are morning, afternoon, and evening. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Which is the first day of the week? Saturday is the first day of the week. What day is it today? Today is Friday. What is today's date? Today's date is 27th of January. How many days are there in a month? There are 30 or 31 days in a month. How many days in a year? There are 365 days in a year. How many weeks are there in a year? There are 52 weeks in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. What month is this? This month is January. What month is it the next month? Next month is February. What month was it the last month? Last month was December. It is time to go now. Goodbye. Bye. See you tomorrow.